everyone, this is Nancy again. Today I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step demo on how to light up Pixel 2.5 LED module using the Colorlight system. Let's dive right into the practical operation and make the setup super easier and clear for you. Please prepare these devices before operation. Step 1. Connect to all devices. Use an HDMI cable and a USB cable to connect the computer to the sending box. Use a flat cable to connect the module to the receiving card. And power on the module and receiver card using a 5V power cord. Use an RJ45 cable to connect the sending box to the receiving card. The green light is flashing, indicating normal communication. Step 2. Use LED setting to light up the module. Before operation, set the computer display mode to WK mode and set the display scaling to 100%. Open the LED setting software. Enter screen configuration. Password 168. Device connection status is normal. Enter the receiver parameter panel. Enter intelligent settings. Select a single type module. We're only using a single module, so just enter the module pixel specification here for the cabinet information. Enter the module's horizontal pixel count here. Select the driver IC mode of your module here. And the same goes for decoder IC. Disable the auto status change mode. Switch the status manually. Select the corresponding status based on the display of the module. Switch the color and observe whether the module display is consistent. Enter the actual number of lit rows of the module. Click the corresponding positions in the table according to the bright spots on the module. You can use the arrow keys on the keyboard for quick operations. Drawing finished. Now the module displays the content of the computer screen. As you can see, the module has successfully lighted up. Want more LED tips, tricks, tutorials? Hit the follow button. We are dropping more fresh, actionable content non-stop. Have an awesome day. Thank you.